The block of watches. Something will always the class act. Wow, that's why I love this word right there. That's it. The human element. These women have been see each other for so long. They've known each other for so long. Just strong performance. All the competitors. Well, as they used to say in the newspaper business, hold the presses. Paul Jimmy Hall has been reinstated in 5,000, and I think that's the right position. You saw it was a very nitpicky reason to disqualify him. Paul Jimmy Hall has been reinstated as the silver medalist in the 5,000 meters. Well, it typified the performance of the U.S. track and field team this last night did as the U.S. women win their sixth straight gold at 400 meters. Allison Felix wins her sixth gold medal, more than any other track and field woman. The men's 4x4 with LaShawn Merritt came home winner in their version of the relay. And of course, the breakthrough performance by Matthew Satterwitz, the first American to win the Olympic 1500 meters since 1908, capping off a great U.S. performance in Rio.
The games of the 31st Olympiad on NBC are brought to you by Chobani, a proud sponsor of Team USA.
Try not to hiccup.
By ExxonMobil, energy lives here. By the 2017 Ford Fusion, the beauty of a well-made choice. And Florida.
Yep.
The new 2017 Ford Fusion. The beauty of a well-made choice.
I got it. Jesus is the one who lights our way. He gives us hope for each new day.
You see on your phone, you butt dial people. It's what you do. You save 15% more.